Starting something new can be tough at any age. But when it comes to fitness, jumping in later in life, well, let's just say it's a whole different ballgame. But guess what? That doesn't mean it's impossible. In fact, it might just be the best decision you'll ever make. Maybe you're worried about past injuries or aches and pains. Maybe it's been years, decades even, since you last exercised. Or let's be real, maybe you're just not sure where to even begin. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down the real challenges of starting a fitness routine later in life. From physical limitations to mental roadblocks, I'll show you how to overcome them step by step. We'll cover the most common fears and frustrations, but we'll also celebrate the wins, like more energy, better balance, and the confidence to say, yes, I can do this. So if you're ready to take the first step, or maybe just curious if it's even possible, stick with me. Because trust me, it's entirely possible that your best days are still to come. Before we dive in, I'm a SilverSneakers trainer. I love the SilverSneakers program because I've seen it change the lives of many seniors. But you don't have to be a member to get value out of this video. There are plenty of tips for everyone. However, if you are eligible for Medicare, you might already have the SilverSneakers benefit. Want to know for sure? Click on the link or scan the QR code now to find out. It's at no additional cost to you. Let's do this together. Hit that subscribe button and let's get moving. Have you ever thought, I want to exercise, but I just can't seem to get motivated? Think about what you'll gain from being more active. Maybe it's having the energy to play with your grandchildren, maintaining independence, or simply feeling better every day. Your why will help guide your motivation and behaviors. Ask yourself, what will give me a sense of satisfaction or fulfillment if I maintain a regular exercise routine? What problem or challenge is emotionally motivating me to begin exercising? Make a list of benefits that can come from this effort, such as, I want to reduce my arthritis pain. I want to improve my heart health so that I can dance at my great-granddaughter's wedding. I want to improve my strength. Getting stronger will help me carry my luggage on my next trip. Write your why statements on Post-it notes and stick them in strategic places around the house. Return to your why when you feel stressed or uncertain in your commitment. Your why is the anchor to the promise you've made yourself. Hold on to it when your motivation wavers. Use it as a reminder of the vision you have for your life. Do you feel like your schedule is too busy to fit in exercise? Then schedule it. Just like actually writing down your why brings your motivation into focus, writing down when you will exercise and what you will do will make it more likely that you'll do it. Habit research shows that by scheduling an activity you want to include in your day or week, it provides structure, reduces decision fatigue, and increases the likelihood of doing the activity, ultimately helping you form a new, positive habit over time by making it more predictable and less reliant on willpower alone. Set yourself an appointment. Put it in your calendar. Some examples might be, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I'll stretch for 10 minutes before I go to bed. On Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I'll walk for 15 minutes after breakfast. Many SilverSneakers members experience success in starting and maintaining an exercise routine by scheduling 2 or 3 exercise classes a week, either at the gym or online. If you're not a member, you can do the same thing by scheduling a time you'll work out with a SilverSneakers video from our on-demand library. Maybe you simply want to start tracking your steps every day to build confidence in your fitness journey. Try setting a reminder for the same time every day to walk for 10 minutes around your house or backyard. Consistency can help it become a habit. Have you ever thought, I'm afraid exercise will make my pain worse or that I'll get injured. This is such an important concern, and putting your safety first is our priority at SilverSneakers. We've put decades of experience into making sure our programs offer safe exercises for older adults of all ability levels. Whether in class at a gym or online, SilverSneakers instructors will present workouts in a way that is approachable and safe regardless of your ability. We offer low-impact workouts using a chair with both seated and standing options and gentle stretching, among others. And we'll always provide adjustments to customize our workouts where you are in your journey. If weight machines are more your style, we even have a video series explaining how to properly use common weight machines. You can view that in our on-demand library. A general guide is: begin with activities that are easy on your joints, like walking, chair yoga, seated strength routines, or water aerobics. These exercises are designed to build strength and flexibility without putting too much strain on your body. And don't forget, if you have concerns about pain or injuries, talk to your doctor or a physical therapist before starting. They can provide tailored advice and recommend safe exercises for your specific needs. At SilverSneakers, our classes are led by trained instructors who prioritize your safety. But if you're unsure about how safe something is, let your doctor help guide you to the best exercise options. And just for you, at SilverSneakers, we have hundreds of live or on-demand workouts for all ability levels. Do you feel you would be more motivated to exercise and stick with it if you had someone to work out with and who would help keep you accountable? Whether you find your community in person or online, whether you prefer one-on-one sessions or group fitness, there's something for everyone. The key is building connections. These connections are what keep you motivated and accountable. There are many great ways to find support on your fitness journey. If you want one-on-one guidance, some gyms offer personal training. There are online fitness coaches, which can be a great way to introduce structure and accountability. And if you're eligible for SilverSneakers, our instructors, both in person and on SilverSneakers Live, are experts at giving you confidence and encouraging you to simply start and keep moving. Being part of a group makes staying active more enjoyable. SilverSneakers classes, both in person and online, offer a chance to connect with others who share your goals. You'll feel encouraged, supported, and part of a team. We hear from members all the time that simply knowing that they have friends waiting for them at a SilverSneakers class is what keeps them coming back week after week. If you still prefer online to in-person classes, we have social communities on Facebook and YouTube where you can comment and share your progress. Whether in person or online, SilverSneakers is here to help you. Sometimes people worry that they're not fit or strong enough to exercise. Just take the first step. You can do this. Starting a fitness routine can feel like you're setting out to climb a mountain. But your first mountain doesn't have to be Everest, nor should it be. Lower the barrier of building an exercise habit by making it easy for yourself. Oftentimes we hear people say that they need to be ready or more fit before they can go to the gym, that they feel embarrassed they're not stronger or in better shape. But remember, you don't have to be fit before you start working out. Come as you are. We all started our fitness journey at some point, every one of us. So never feel ashamed you haven't met your goals. Celebrate that you're taking the first step. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Start small. Begin with short, manageable workouts to build confidence. Even 10 to 15 minutes can be effective. Mix it up. Variety keeps things interesting. Ask a trainer at the gym to show you how to use a different cardio machine. Try different classes, outdoor activities, or even a new sport to prevent boredom. You might find that you really love snowshoeing or shooting hoops on the basketball court. Be flexible. If you're not feeling up to a planned workout, allow yourself to switch things up and take a stretch class or a rest day without guilt. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, strength training, a low-impact fitness class, or maybe Tai Chi. You're more likely to stick with something that makes you happy. SilverSneakers offers a variety of programs so you can discover what works best for you. Maybe you feel like getting to a gym just isn't practical for you, or you just don't like gyms. The most important thing to remember is that movement is key. You don't need a gym to get your body moving. It's all about finding what works for you. Whether it's taking a walk around your neighborhood, tackling a gardening project, or hopping on that stationary bike you've been meaning to use, the key is to get started and stay consistent. Set aside specific days for your activities. Believe in your ability to create positive change and focus on the simple steps that will get you moving. You've got this. Just keep moving forward. But wait, there's more. With SilverSneakers, you don't need to leave home to get in a great workout. Our on-demand videos and live virtual classes make it easy to exercise in your living room, backyard, or wherever you're comfortable. And these classes are true SilverSneakers classes with real SilverSneakers instructors. You can do the workouts with or without equipment. And if you're ready to get started today, you can be working out with us in one of our proprietary classes within 5 minutes. You don't even have to be a member to access our on-demand library. You just need an account on SilverSneakers.com. SilverSneakers can be your guide without needing to leave your home. Are you concerned about being able to stick with your exercise routine? Know that we have solutions to help you be successful. You can do this. There will be challenges, and know that there are solutions. There is a 100% chance that you will face unexpected challenges that could derail your commitment. This is not said to be negative, just real. And now that we have that out of the way, we can focus on the solutions. Plan for handling challenging circumstances with a technique called if-then strategies. If-then strategies can help you overcome challenges to sticking with your exercise routine by anticipating the obstacles and creating solutions. Here are a few ideas to help you get started. If I feel too tired to exercise, then I will start with just 10 minutes of light activity to see if I can keep going. If I miss a workout, then I will not be hard on myself. Instead, I'll schedule a makeup session for the next day. If I struggle with consistency, then I will set a regular workout time each week and treat it as an important appointment. Write down an obstacle you've experienced with your exercise routine in the past, and now think of a solution for that challenge when it comes up again. Using these strategies can help create a proactive approach to overcoming challenges in maintaining an exercise program. And try to challenge any negative thoughts that arise in the process. If you put in the work and remain consistent, you will see progress. Remember, imagine yourself a year from now. Did you stick with your fitness plan? I believe things will work out for you. I hope you do too. With the right mindset and tools, you can overcome any barrier and embrace an active lifestyle that works for you. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need a little extra encouragement. With SilverSneakers by your side, you're never alone on your fitness journey. Let's get moving together.